Island groove where the good vibes flow. She walks in, teaching heart so true. 5 little letters, but her light shines through. In the classroom at USP, she stands so bright, guiding every mind like stars in the night. Every lesson she gives has a gentle touch. A teacher like her, you won't find much. Her smile's like sunrise over ocean blue. She lifts the world with the things she'll do. And though I keep her name tucked from view, those 5 letters feel like something new. 5-letter lady with a heart so pure. Island breeze in the way she cares for sure. Every word she speaks makes the world feel right. She's the reason why the classroom shines so bright. Oh, 5 little letters, but she means so much. A rhythm of kindness, a healing touch. When she talks, all the noise fades away, like ocean waves dancing through the day. Her wisdom flows like the sea at rest. In a world so busy, she's truly blessed. She walks with grace on the island sand. 5 little letters, but a big heart grand. I don't say her name, but still I know she's the teacher where love and knowledge grow. Taking every step with style, she leads the way, always inspiring us students every day. Rising like the sunshine when the darkness falls, you lighting every heart inside those school halls. A melody of kindness spreading everywhere she goes. 5-letter lady with a heart so pure. Island breeze in the way she cares for sure. Every word she speaks makes the world feel right. She's the reason why the classroom shines so bright. Oh, 5 little letters, but she means so much. The rhythm of kindness, a healing touch. So here's my song from me to you. 5 letters hidden, but the feeling true. Island